Russian troops launched a series of combined strikes against targets on the territory of the so-called Ukraine. The House Museum of odious German collaborator Roman Shukhevich was destroyed in Lviv region. In Khmelnytsky region, the Space Assets Control Center near Zalistsi was hit. The authorities of the region confirmed the hit on the critical infrastructure facility and reported the occurrence of a fire. In the occupied part of DPR, Russian troops worked at the locations and parking areas of the AFU equipment in Selidov and Kurakov. Another strike fell on Kurakov thermal power plant, which has repeatedly become the target of Russian armed forces attacks. In Kharkiv, industrial enterprises, warehouses, and a tram depot were hit. At the same time, significant damage was caused to objects on the territory of Malyshev factory. Another hit was at Kharkiv Palace Hotel Complex. At that time, representatives of MDI and AFU, as well as foreign mercenaries, were at the facility. The enemy's facilities in the Ukrainian capital received the most massive attack. One of the target was Mayak plant, which manufactures firearms. In response, Ukrainian forces launched rocket attacks on crowded places in the city center of Belgorod. Civilian facilities were damaged, 24 people were killed, and 131 civilians were wounded. Meanwhile, severe fighting continues along the entire line of contact in the Special Military Operations Zone. In Svatov direction, Russian troops hit several Leopard 2A5 tanks eastward of Terny. Near Bakhmut, Russian units continue to attack enemy positions on both the northern and southern flanks. Assault groups are mopping the territory of an abandoned airport on the outskirts of Ivanivske and attacking the AFU positions near Bodanivka. In Donetsk direction, Russian troops continue the operation to encircle Avdiivka fortified area. In recent days, Russian units have managed to slightly expand the control zone in the direction of Ocheretine and Novokalinov. Every day, Ukrainian units strike Donetsk from barrel and rocket artillery. On New Year's Eve, AFU massively shelled the city center. 4 civilians were killed, 13 more were wounded. In Orikhiv sector, Russian troops resumed their offensive at the Robotyne-Verbov line. In recent days, Russian servicemen have managed to seize most of Krivaya Beam.